So I've been asked what makes a Venkman pack a Venkman pack. Now, Proton packs are all pretty much, it's not the same design obviously, but there's little differences here and there that change the variation of it. Little things you want to get right when you're making yours. It's the little details. So that little resistor there is at a slight angle. Remember, all the nuts and bolts have got rust on them, all the little nuts. If you look very carefully, there's 2 scratches just there. That is only on the Venkman pack. I don't know if we can get that bit of weld there in between the booster tube and the iron arm pillar. That's a Venkman pack trademark. Also, right down in there, you see that bolt? It's an Allen key bolt that goes through here. Only the Venkman pack has that. So that's that. These two should be slightly lopsided here. They are straight, they should be at an angle. That would make it a Venkman pack. I never got that done. Bit lazy on my part. Got my twists right. White, rainbow, rainbow, white, and you've got your cable ties. You've got one here, one cable tie. Got your loop. You've got another cable tie just after the loop, and another cable tie there. They're in the right places for the Venkman pack. So on the thrower, you notice that the clip art is upside down. Venkman's pack, this is up this way round, so the details are here and the writing's underneath, so it's upside down. Venkman pack has the white cable tie at the top, and then we've got our tape that's repeated throughout the umbilical. There you go, you got your clip art writing just here on the Venkman pack. On the red cable, just next to the black, you'll see there's a little bit of writing just here. Got that there. The 4 screws are at this angle, so they're not straight, not there to there, they're not like straight. Venkman's pack, this yellow sticker here, it actually buckles around the top. A lot of people have it here, a bit lower. That's wrong. It's at the top there, slightly wrapped around. There you go, got that little red sticker there, that gets forgotten a lot. It's in the right place. On the end filter, there's no welding around here, around the top. A lot of Venkman packs have welding around. Well, it's not there. So on the end of the thrower, there's a little 3 that's scraped into it, just there. That's Venkman's pack. It's got the 3 scratched in. Here's another fun one you never see either. So that danger sticker is upside down. So Peter's pack, his danger sticker's up the wrong way. Another thing that's you never don't see as well. This here, you see how it's buckled? It's slightly bent at an angle. So as if it's forced in at an angle. So you'll see that top clip-ard part, the little valve, this little thing here. It's not straight, it's buckled. That's Peter's pack. I get the impression what happened was on set when this got damaged. I get the impression that when they put the welding in down there, because obviously it got damaged, and it must have hit this, bent it slightly. So yeah, I've got that same bend in here and the weld here. So another thing with the Venkman pack, it's got this piece of foam, a little piece of foam along the top. It stops here. Stops here. And it stops here. Just a little bit of foam along the top. And it's a mess. Yep, that's Venkman's. Can't forget on the back of the packs all the Ghostbusters have a little bit of masking tape to the right with the name, with their names on, just there. So there you go. As a little once over, a couple of the key things that make it a Venkman pack. But it's the little things here and there that just make them slightly different.